Hi again, everybody. This is Dimitri, your teacher of English. Today, I'd like to introduce you to some phrasal verbs that are really important. But before we do this, please subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, write a comment if you wish. So let's get into it. So I got a mix of phrasal verbs here, just a random choice. So we have go for means to decide to do something, yeah, to do, turn up, to appear, to arrive, look into, to examine, take after, to resemble, when a person resembles or looks like somebody. Check out is to test, to try. Hold up, to delay. Go in for, to participate. Chill out is to relax. Go off, to when something is triggered, or the food goes bad, yeah, but usually there's some mechanism. Run out of is to finish the supplies, okay, when the supplies are finished. Get over is to overcome. Call off is to cancel. Go along with is to accept, usually negative. Come up with, to think of a new idea, yeah. Get away with, to escape punishment. And here's a note, yeah, for you guys, that any foreign speaker needs to use phrasal verbs to sound more natural. It's easier to memorize phrasal verbs topic by topic. For example, we have relationships, we have money, we have cars, we have meetings, etc. You need to remember that a phrasal verb may have a direct or figurative meaning. For example, my car broke down. It's more like direct means. So car has a malfunction, it broke down. She, for example, she was so sad about some news, and she broke down in tears. So that's more figurative, all right? And there's no use in translating phrasal verbs into your mother tongue. It's easier to associate it with a certain concept. So I always repeat that: never translate. Have an idea or a concept or context that you can associate it with, okay? Again, there are no rules how you can memorize phrasal verbs or idioms, but you have to think of your own way. Right, here we do the example. So I'll give you some time to think, and then I'll give you the right answer. The trouble with Frank is that he usually arrives about an hour late for meetings. Arrives. Or turns up. He usually turns up about an hour late. We've been waiting for an entire hour and just a few people turned up. Turned up. Okay? Or show up, which is a possible option to use. Turn up, show up. Karen, I'd like you to examine this complaint we received from a client. It seems quite serious. Examine. Or look into, right? We're going to look into that complaint. Look into. The bomb exploded on a main street near the center, but luckily it was at a quiet time of the day. And here where we use this trigger concept, it can be an alarm clock, a watch, something triggers. So the bomb went off in the main street. Okay, we talk about alarm clocks, it goes off. We talk about food that goes off, which is not edible anymore, which is like stinks. What else? We also say I went off rock music. I don't like it anymore, right? I went off something. That's the concept. Great. Number 4, you won't get another chance like this for a very long time. Please excuse my spelling here. So take this opportunity, do it. Go for it, okay? Go for it. Do it. Number 5, hey, just see or try this new iPhone. The camera quality is great. See how great it is. Or check out. Okay? Check out. See how it works. Check out this. Check this out. It's a common catchphrase in most songs. That was number 5. We're moving on to number 6. We're not serving sandwiches, I'm afraid, ma'am. We don't have any more bread. Okay, we use up all our supply of. We've run out of. All right, remember here we have 2 particles, out of, run out of. You can't just drop one, you need to use both, because run out is one piece, of is a second, so never miss it. Number 7, I can't accept these new stupid rules. I can't accept, I cannot go along with these new stupid rules. Usually that's using negative, right? So this is also a thing to remember. We have some verbs that are used in positive context, some use in negative context. Even though it's not a rule, it's not written anywhere, but as a linguist I can tell you that sometimes the verb is mostly used in a negative content, with a negation, with a negative concept, okay? Number 8, because of a really heavy downpour, the party in the park had to be cancelled. And a lot of students don't know the word cancel, believe me. So cancelled or called off, all right? So the party had to be called off, cancelled. Remember, postpone is put off, cancel, call off. Maybe it helps you. So number 9, why don't you enter the weirdest hair competition, Ula? I'm sure you'd win it. Why don't you enter, or go in for, okay? Go in for the weirdest hair competition. Number 10, I wonder who first thought of the idea of airbags in cars. Hey, I wonder who came up with this idea. So who come up with something, come up with a good idea, with a plan, come up with a concept again, come up with something, some good plan, some idea, right? Number 10 that was. Number 11, hey, what a lovely baby. He certainly doesn't resemble his father, does he? He certainly doesn't resemble, doesn't take after. Do you take after any of your parents? I think I take after my parents. We all take after somebody's parents, someone, right? So some relatives maybe. Resemble. Number 12. We broke up a month ago and I still can't recover from it. Still can't recover. We broke up a month ago and I still can't get over it. Get over, recover. So again, you can memorize 2 words. Recover, get over. Yeah. But just imagine it's like a concept of the bridge. Get over the river, get over, or go over. Yeah, so get over. 13. Because of a flooding of a line between Brighton and Victoria, my train was delayed for several hours. My train was held up. So what's the hold up? What's the wait? Why are we waiting? What are we waiting for? What's the hold up? Remember, hold up is always also means like heist. So when it's robbery, especially with train, it's a hold up. Yeah. All right, interesting. Number 14 is sometimes get to work late, which is okay for our new boss, but I don't think I can do this without punishment. Arriving late in the future. I don't think I can get away with it can get away with arriving late in the future. So get away with, again, two particles. And last one, but certainly not the least, it's a party after all, so just relax and have fun. So just, kick up your heels, you may say, which is possible, but it's not a phrasal verb, it's an idiom. So just chill out, chill out and have fun. Do you know any other expression to do with relaxing? So we have chill out and also hang out. Okay, when we spend time, we have fun, we hang out. All right, so phrasal verbs are not easy. It's a creative process. You have to think, to make examples, to connect ideas, connect words. Right, remember, it's all part of our process. You study, you learn something. So see you in the next one. Peace. Take care.